Hey, bonjour, it's Al. Today is, I don't know what today is. Today's January 22nd, I think. It's the day after Martin Luther King Day. And, I'm in South Glastonbury, Connecticut. It's cold. It's actually not that bad. It's like 3 degrees, temperature's warming up. The sun's coming up, and the wind has diminished. Sunday we had some snow, as you can see. And, oh gosh, it changed to freezing rain. It was only like an inch of snow. Freezing rain just weighted down the tree branches and everything and just really did a number. A lot of power outages, I guess, in the southern part of the state. And the clothesline rope, look at that. It's got some issues. And, welcome to my bus renovation project, and just mentioning to myself, like, pine trees, you gotta love it. Branch falls right on the top of the bus, right over the solar panels. Makes me wonder, like, should have like a roll cage over the solar panels, or don't park a bus under the pine trees. How stupid is that? So it just works in the driveway better this way, I guess. So anyway, I just wanted to mention that, how crazy it gets. And that's like, driveway's like a sheet of ice. I got my, what do you call these? They're not yak tracks, but some kind of cleats on my shoes, so I hopefully don't take a spill. Last winter it was pretty crazy. But anyway, I have not done much work to the bus. It's been too friggin' cold out. I'm sick for a while, and did get tires on it. New tires, so that's exciting. And I've taken it down the highway a couple times with the new tires on, and I got new front shocks I put on, and got those at Napa in Glastonbury, and the guy was able to make a match, even though he scraped the heck out of the surface trying to get a number, and found a number, and it matched perfectly, so I'm thankful for that. The rear ones are so rusted. I am struggling to find there's a lot of stuff in the way to make a leverage point for me to unbolt the thing, and I don't have an impact wrench, a 3/4 inch impact wrench to get on there, but I'll see. I'll get it eventually. I'll figure some extension thing to get the rear shocks replaced, because it's reduced the vibration and it's a much more stable ride, and so that's helpful. And obviously when you got snow on top, you don't get no solar, but the batteries are the house batteries seem okay, and engine batteries are okay for now. I don't have anything running per se inside, no refrigerator. I shut off the inverter for now. So inside the refrigerator is about the same temperature as the space inside, and some days it's actually colder inside the bus because it's sort of insulated. And if you had sunshine shining in the window, you'd get a little greenhouse effect going on to warm you up, but there's not a lot of windows on this to warm it up. So that's one of my next plans, is designing a manifold and making some more hydronic heat, but we'll get there. So tomorrow, Wednesday, the weather forecast is saying that we'll get some rain. It'll be in the 40s, so we'll see what happens. And then it may be a little warmer again. My sister in North Dakota mentioned that it was like 30 below zero there, and up in Fargo, and that's kind of crazy. So for those of you in tropical areas and in Florida or wherever you are, you can avoid all this crap. I can't wait to at some point be in a position to financially and whatever get in that bus and go to someplace warm, so that I don't have to do this to get the garbage out. And I guess if you were the palm trees, everybody's got things they gotta deal with in bad weather. Sometimes you got hurricanes and stuff. You do this to get into the garbage. Well, anyway. Here where it's warm and there are palm trees. God bless it. Enjoy the warm weather. and we'll look forward to seeing you soon when I get some more work done on the bus. And I can update you when I'm not frozen or it's not frozen. Meantime, take care. God bless. See you. Bye.